In the tranquil village of Willow Creek, nestled amidst rolling hills and whispering pines, there lived a maiden named Seraphina, renowned for her unparalleled beauty. Her eyes sparkled like stars, her smile could melt the coldest of hearts, and her hair cascaded down her shoulders like a golden waterfall. Men from far and wide flocked to Willow Creek, drawn by Seraphina's captivating charm. They showered her with gifts, serenaded her with ballads, and pledged their undying love. Yet, Seraphina remained untouched by their affections, her heart yearning for a love that went beyond mere physical beauty. One day, a humble woodcutter named Ethan ventured into Willow Creek, his heart untouched by the allure of wealth or status. He was captivated not by Seraphina's outward appearance, but by the kindness in her eyes, the warmth in her smile, and the depth of her spirit. Seraphina, too, was drawn to Ethan, his genuine nature and humble demeanor a refreshing change from the superficiality that surrounded her. They spent countless hours together, exploring the hidden corners of the forest, sharing stories, and discovering a love that was as pure as the morning dew. Their union defied the expectations of the village, proving that true love knows no bounds. Seraphina and Ethan's love story became a cherished legend in Willow Creek, a testament to the power of inner beauty and the enduring spirit of true connection.